struggle to figure out what colors to use while watercoloring or crafting or creating, one of my favorite things I like to do when I want to create a new and interesting color palette that really sings and speaks to my unique style is I actually go over to my closet.
Sarah Simon, aka the Mint Gardener, is the #1 resource for watercoloring advice on the internet. And she's joining Altenew for the ultimate collab of the year.
I'm so excited for you to be joining me. I just designed a new collection with Altenew, and we are so excited to be releasing it to you. Join me and Altenew for our exciting upcoming class that you won't want to miss.
That's right. We've been secretly working with Sarah Simon over the past few months to create the ultimate product collection with everything that represents Sarah's iconic style. Think beautiful floral stamps designed by the Mint Gardener herself, so you can have her self-drawn designs on your very own projects. And that's not all. Sarah Simon is joining us for an exciting class to teach you exactly how to use watercolor to create beautiful works of art.
My best painting hack that I'll never stop using. Have your materials out and ready. What I like to use was a little rolly cart.
All of Sarah's tried and true advice is so helpful for aspiring artists. If you're not confident with watercolor, this is the step you need to improve your skills as an artist. Who better to guide you along your new watercolor journey than the watercolor expert herself? Sarah Simon will be live to help you learn different watercolor techniques, color mixing, creating textures and brush strokes. This is an event you don't want to miss.
I am so excited about this new collaboration that I worked with Altenew to design of dreamy watercolor flowers in the garden. I sincerely cannot wait to see you using, painting, die cutting, playing with all of these new designs, my florals, and your creativity combined to see what you create and what we can create together. I can't wait for you to see dreamy watercolor flowers this June.
Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.